In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity Spaces. Think of a space as a focused workspace where you gather sources, set context, and ask smarter questions with AI. It's ideal for research projects, team knowledge hubs, or any topic you want to organize once and reuse many times. Start by heading to the Perplexity website. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. That's where you'll manage most of your navigation. Find the Spaces section in that menu and open it. From there, choose New Space to begin. You're creating a dedicated place for one topic, so give it a thoughtful name you'll recognize instantly later. Add an emoji to make it visually scannable, and write a short description that explains the goal or scope of the space. Clear context up front helps the AI give more relevant answers. If you want to steer tone, formatting, or how the assistant should behave, add custom instructions. This is a great spot to specify audience, level of detail, or style preferences so you don't have to repeat them in every prompt. Next, build your knowledge base. On the right side of your screen, upload up to 50 documents and add specific website URLs that matter to your topic. Prioritize high-quality, authoritative sources, and keep file names clear so you can find things fast. The more your materials reflect what you truly care about, the better the space will perform. If you're updating a living project, you can come back and refine this library over time. Choose your preferred AI model for the space. Different models can vary in speed, depth, or reasoning style, so pick the one that best fits your task. You can always adjust later if you want a different balance of performance and cost. When you start prompting, look for the search mode toggle. You can rely only on your files, which is perfect for private curated answers, or you can expand to search both your files and the web when you need fresh context or broader coverage. Switch modes based on whether precision or discovery is your priority in the moment. By default, spaces are private, which is great for early drafts or sensitive work. When you're ready to collaborate, invite team members via email or share a link so others can access the space. Share thoughtfully and only with people who should see the materials inside. That's it. With a clear name, strong description, well-chosen sources, the right model, and smart use of the search toggle, you'll turn Perplexity Spaces into a reliable command center for any project.